This is probably the most close to release date hobby box I've ever opened on this channel. Usually I don't pre-order these right away. I didn't pre-order this one, but it was a same-day purchase. They were in stock direct through Panini on their website, which is quite rare. I remember I tried to get Elite on release day, and as soon as I hit refresh, they were sold out. The bots got them. So when I saw these in stock right away, I couldn't pass it up. We're looking at 2 autographs and 1 memorabilia card, 60 cards total. Phoenix is sort of the introduction to the premium brands, of which I've got behind me: Mosaic, Spectra, Prism. Mosaic hobby boxes running about $800. Prism, when they released this year, probably around the same, actually more. I'm not going to buy one. Spoiler alert. I will just stick to buying individual cards like I have here on this channel. But the price point of Phoenix, as we'll see in the design, the price point is about the same as it is with Donruss and Score, a bit more, but a big but, it's got a lot more premium cards. So if you're looking for an introduction to super high-end, this is the way to go. If you can stomach the price, which for me, just barely. How do I open this here? All right, we've got 1 row of packs. So let's just dig in. I guess if I feel a fat pack, I'll try and hide it off to the side. Phoenix away. Well, we've either got a filler or a filler. Okay. All right, so the base design for Nick Bosa, as we can see, you know, it's got hints of Mosaic in there. It's also the thick chrome stock. So that's why I say don't spring for Mosaic if you just want something mid to high end. DJ Chark. Got a Mitch Trubisky red. This is out of $2.99. Filler card. A Hot Routes Justin Jefferson. Nice. Not numbered, but that's a good insert of a rookie. And then we've got a rookie card of KJ Osborne. All right. Another nice thing about getting a hobby box with only 60 cards is you won't have a massive stack at the end where you're trying to figure out what to do with it. Juju Smith-Schuster. A Kenneth Murray rookie. I think this is the Color Burst parallel. It is. Ooh, Flamethrowers. Justin Herbert. Ooh, nice. That's an orange, number 250. That is solid. Flamethrowers Michael Vick, not numbered. What is the... I honestly can't really tell a difference between what appears to be orange and what appears to be base. But the Herbert is super low numbered. Then we've got a Keyshawn Vaughn rookie. All right, well, that Herbert, that is nice. That is going to be, if he keeps going the way he's going, that is going to be well worthwhile. We've got a Drew Brees, Christian McCaffrey, a Lynn Bowden. I believe this is pink. Yep, numbered to 199. Where am I sticking my parallels? Over here, I guess. Oh, here's our first auto, Michael Warren II. I don't know what round he was drafted in. We'll Google him later. And Eno Benjamin, rookie. So far, these are fun. Not sure if the base cards will hold any value, but we'll see. They might. All right, we've got Drew Lock, Debo. Nice. T. Higgins gold. That's going to be numbered to 75. Yeah, that's how we get lucky and find one. Fire Forge, Jerry Rice. Not numbered. That's a cool looking insert. You notice the flamethrower, Fire Forge, Hot Routes. These all have the fire theme. Jordan Brooks rookie. Fire theme, Phoenix rising from the ashes. Get it? That one feels kind of thick. Ryan Tannehill, Jared Goff, CeeDee Lamb, Hot Routes. This is numbered to 175. Ignore the cut on my thumb there. Game Over, Jason Witten. These are inserts that talk about them doing some kind of wild comeback. We've got a Devin Duvernay rookie. I think we just passed the halfway point. So we've got one autograph and one min card. Maybe, oh, this one's got filler. Okay. Josh Allen. Leonard Fournette, still with the old uni. AJ Epineza, I believe that's pink, numbered to 199. Flamethrowers, Dak Prescott, not numbered. And a Darrington Evans rookie. We've got a thick card here. I thought this other pack was thick. Oh well, we'll see what happens. Maybe we ended up with 2 mem cards. Ben Roethlisberger, Odell Beckham, Peyton Manning Flamethrowers. That's numbered to 175. Oh, here we go. Antonio Gandy Golden, number 250. It's our jersey card. I believe that's a purple jumbo jerseys. Very cool. And Albert Okwuegbunam rookie. There is no retail version of this product, so hobby is what you got. You'll just have to bite the bullet and go for it. George Kittle, on injured reserve now. Hey, Tyler Boyd, did that to Bengals collection. Kirk Cousins pink parallel, numbered to 199. Rookie Rising, Justin Herbert, not numbered, but that is another Herbert. And Damon Arnett rookie. Herbert's one of the players that I always seem to pull. It's a good thing. Glad that he's making waves. Russell Wilson, Derrick Henry, Josh Allen, gold parallel, right? Numbered to 75. Game Over, Aaron Jones. A little story on the back about doing something. And a Henry Ruggs rookie. 3 packs to go, including that fat one I set aside. All right, Julian Edelman, Kirk Cousins, a Joe Reed rookie. It's red to 299. Hot Rods, DJ Moore, not numbered. And Trevon Diggs. Penultimate pack now. Cortland Sutton. Devin Asiasi. I feel like this is a silver. Daniel Jones, he's struggling a bit to $2.99. Aaron Rodgers flamethrowers, man. Just tons of flamethrowers cards. Ooh, Denzel Mims rookie. All right, final pack. We are expecting one more auto. Since this one's thicker, I suspect we got a patch auto, which will be very nice. I mean, pretty nice. Yeah, looks like that's what we got. AJ Green. All right, I believe I got all of the Bengals receivers. Oh, not Donruss. Oh, he won't be there for long now. Jalen Ramsey. And Aaron Rodgers, believe this is to 175. This is teal. And we've got Jalen Hurts. Whoa, that is a sick patch. It's got some thread hanging off of it. 4 colors. Wow. And it is numbered to 25. Super short print. Okay. I don't have any extra large sleeves. I'll have to get this one sleeved up. And it's in good condition. A little fuzz on there, but unlike my Donruss hobby box, this one is in good shape. Wow. I think that's the blue parallel. He might get a chance to start soon. I mean, the whole NFC East kind of stinks. So there's John Hightower. So this is, I assume from watching other videos, a pretty normal box of Phoenix. We got a super short print RPA. Got Antonio Gandy Golden jumbo patch. Our straight up autograph, no patch, is Michael Warren. I got to look him up. I don't know anything about him. So we can't say that this is like a super high caliber, also not numbered. That's fine though. And then, you know, these are, we only got this many base cards here. This is where I was sticking the base. You know, that's not many. We got a ton of rookies, base rookies, a ton of inserts, both numbered and unnumbered. So this box is really just nothing but good stuff, if you think about it. So feel free to venture out. It's, you know, only a little bit more than Donruss, but you're going to get a lot more value in here, even though there's a third of the cards. And you don't have to, you know, crush your piggy bank like you would with Mosaic or the upcoming Prism Select releases. So that's all for today. I'm happy with this. I hope you are too. Thanks for tuning in, and we're going to be back goofing around here in a couple of days with some new products. So stay with us.